Introducing the all-new GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 50 series, powered by the most advanced WINDFORCE cooling system. Our innovative Hawk fan cut through limitations, boosting pressure by 53.6% and increasing airflow by 12.5%. Our exclusive composite metal grease for GPU combines liquid metal's thermal conductivity with silicone's ease of application, reducing temperatures while your competition sweats. For the flagship AORUS Extreme Water Force, premium liquid metal for GPU delivers up to 10 times better heat transfer efficiency and is accompanied by multiple layers of protection. Server-grade thermal conductive gel protects and cools VRAM and MOSFETs, while the large vapor chamber and superconducting heat pipes work in harmony. The angular fin design channels every breeze, creating the perfect atmosphere for performance. Screen Cooling Plus with an extended heatsink allows more air to pass through, effectively dissipating heat. The additional fan enhances cooling performance by not only lowering the graphics card's temperature, but also improving the overall airflow within the case. A revolution in thermal design, a new definition of performance. This is the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 50 series. Play hard, stay cool, feel the chill.